everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram cache. So watch this video till the end. Every device has a place to store data temporarily. That is what a cache is. The cache helps to lower the amount of data used by your device while using your app. But occasionally, the cache can slow down your smartphone, so you might wish to clear it. So without further ado, let's get started and see how to delete Instagram cache. Open your settings on your device, scroll downwards and click on Apps. On Apps page, scroll downwards and click on Instagram. Click on Storage. Click on Clear Cache. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to delete Instagram cache. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.